Now come to the next problem. X equals cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Y equals sin theta minus sin 2 theta. These are all the problem having 3 mark questions. Remember it, 3 mark questions. So find dy by dx. The question is to find the value of dy by dx is the question. Now consider x equals cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, right? So x, derivative of x with respect to theta is dx by d theta. Remember it. Here cos theta derivative is easily find. It is nothing but minus sin theta, right? To find the derivative of cos 2 theta, we have to consider 2 theta as u, right? U equals 2 theta. X becomes yl, x becomes here cos theta minus cos u. We are differentiating with respect to theta, but so this is dx by d theta, right? This is dx by d theta will be equal to cos theta derivative is minus sin theta minus cos u is minus sin u into derivative with respect to theta d by d theta of u. Because with respect to theta is now d by d theta, t is d by dt of u. What is u here? U is nothing but 2 theta. So it is minus sin theta minus half minus sin u. U is nothing but 2 theta into derivative of 2 theta with respect to theta ne ide. Adrinda this is 2 into 1, that is 2. So minus into minus plus, right? Now come to the next one. Very similar to this one. Y equals, so here y equals okay, sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. So here 2 theta is considered as u. So this y becomes sin theta minus sin u. Derivative with respect to theta, that is dy by d theta is sin theta is cos theta minus sin u is cos u into derivative with respect to theta of d by d theta of u. What is u here? Nothing but 2 theta. So right, derivative of 2 theta is nothing but 2. So this entire thing is 2. Alva? So this 2 comes here. So dy by dx is dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So dy by d theta is here. Dx by d theta is already we find out. This is minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. So these are all the problems carrying 3 mark. It is a simple one. X equals a secant theta, y equals b tan theta. Differentiate ಇಲ್ಲಿ x theta ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We differentiate both sides with respect to theta. So x becomes dx by d theta. A is a constant. Secant theta derivative is secant theta into tan theta. Dy by d theta, b is a constant. Tan theta with respect to theta is secant square theta. So dy by d theta ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, dx by d theta ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು secant ಇದರ ಜೊತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So b secant theta by a tan theta. Now if you want to simplify this further, you can write this as, look at here, b divided by secant theta, reciprocal is nothing but cos theta, whole thing is divided by sin theta divided by cos theta. Further if you simplify this one, b divided by cos theta into reciprocal, that is cos theta divided by sin theta. So these two get cancels. b by sin theta, that is b ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1 nothing but 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. Further simplification, prove that ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆ, y is 12 into 1 minus cos t, x is 10 into t minus sin t, find dy by dx. Consider this y. So we differentiate with respect to theta. Theta not t now. Tappalva idu. So we differentiate with respect to t here. This is t. dy by dt, 12 is a constant. One derivative is 0. Minus e minus idella. Minus ಗೆ minus ಹಾಗೆ. Cos t derivative is minus sin t. Minus into minus plus. So here also differentiate with respect to t. What is the derivative here? 10 is a constant. For t with respect to t it is 1 minus keep as it is. Sin t is cos t. So dy by dt by dx by dt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ sin t ಗೆ we have a formula here. 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by t. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ sin 2 theta ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. 2 sin theta cos theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ sin theta ಇದ್ರೆ 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos t, we have a formula here. 1 minus cos t is 2 sin square t by 2. Other if you have 1 plus cos t is there, 2 cos square t by 2. Okay. So here it is, look at here. Here it is there, you can cancel 2 ones are 2 5s are, right? Okay. So this is again here 2 6 are. So this is 6 by 5. 1 sin times t by 2 get cancelled here. Cos t by 2 by sin t by 2 is cot t by 2. Prove that and keltare, we have to simplify this expression. Now look at here. Something different problem. It is also a 3-mark question. So these are all the problem carrying 3 mark. It is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ different ಇದೆ. Look at here. Differentiate sin square x with respect to e power cos x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ x ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? How to differentiate this function with respect to this function? ಅಂದ್ರೆ first function ಗೆ let us call u as sin square x and v as second function e power cos x. So differentiate ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, u with respect to v. What is the derivative of u with respect to v? It is nothing but du by dv. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, what is derivative of y with respect to x? Nothing but what? dy by dx. So derivative of u with respect to v, du by dv. So what is this u in terms of x, v in terms of x? In the problem of x in terms of t, y in terms of t ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. So du by dv ಇದ್ರೆ u in terms of t ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ du by dx divided by dv by dx. ಆಯ್ತಾ? u equals sin square x. Sin square x ಅನ್ನ sin x whole square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ sin x square ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. So here now look at here. So you consider this sin x as some u ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ u ಬದಲು p ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. So u equals p square. What is the derivative of p square with respect to x ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? We want du by dx ಅಲ್ವಾ. du by dx ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ differentiate with respect to x. u becomes du by dx. p square with respect to x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2p into derivative of p. Okay, ಅಥವಾ 2p into dp by dx. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2p ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? sin x into derivative of p. p ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? sin x. What is the derivative of sin x? cos x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. ಸಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅದೇ ತರ v is e power cos x. ಯಾವುದು ನಾವು u ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಡ, ಈಗ w ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. So ಇದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we consider this cos x as some w. Okay, so v equals e to the power of w. We want, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ, that is important, we want dv by dx. So we differentiate with respect to x. So v becomes dv by dx. E power w is e power w into derivative of w. W is nothing but cos x. Here cos x derivative is sin x. Sorry, cos x derivative is nothing but what? Sin x agata. So it is minus sin x. So that is nothing but minus e power cos x into sin x. So we have du by dx is du by dv ne keliddu. So it is nothing but sin 2x divided by minus e power cos x into sin x. So similar problem nodi illu x ಇದೆ differentiate root sin x with respect to cos cube x. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು u ಇದಿಷ್ಟು v. So differentiate u with respect to v means we find du by dv. So consider this u. We want, so what is this du by dv? Du by dv is nothing but du by dx divided by dv by dx. So what is du by dx? Consider u. Now look at it. Inside the root, sin x we consider this as some p. So u becomes the root of p. If you differentiate with respect to x, now this is du by dx is root p is 1 by 2 root p into derivative of p, because formula ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Root p with respect to x ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 1 by 2 root p into derivative of p. P is nothing but what? Sin x. So derivative of sin x is cos x. ಇದು as usual ನಾವು sin x whole square ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ. So cos square x nothing but cos x whole square. To take this cos x as some w. So v becomes w square. We want dv by dx. So differentiate with respect to x. W square is 2w into derivative of w. So derivative of w is cos x is nothing but minus sin x. So minus 2 sin x cos x andre minus sin 2x. So these are all the problems carrying important problems, important ivella 3 mark problems. X equals a into theta plus sin theta, y equals a into 1 minus cos theta. You will nodi find dy by dx ಇಲ್ಲಿ. We want dy by dx. X theta ದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, y ಯು theta ದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. With respect to ಯಾವ್ದು differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? x ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, theta ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x theta ದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ with respect to theta ನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Differentiate with respect to theta. dx by d theta, a is a constant ಹಾಗೆ. Derivative of theta is 1. Derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So y equals a into 1 minus cos theta. Illi differentiate with respect to theta. A is a constant. 1 ಗೆ a ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ a is a constant. 1 ಗೆ derivative 0 minus cos theta ಗೆ minus sin theta. Minus into minus plus ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? a into sin theta. That's ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. sin theta has a formula ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta already told that it is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 and 2 get cancels. 1 of the cos theta by 2 get cancelled. Sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. A simple problem carrying 3 mark. So idu nimge you do it as a homework. Simple problem. You have to prove dy by dx is minus cot theta by 2. Prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Very similar ನೋಡಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದಂತೆ. Now come to this one. X equals a into cos theta is an important problem. Theta plus sin theta and y is given. Prove the dy by dx. X is expressed in terms of theta and y is also expressed in terms of theta. Consider this x. We differentiate this with respect to what? we differentiate with respect to theta. So the derivative of x with respect to theta is dx by d theta. A is a constant. First one, cos theta derivative is minus sin theta plus. Important, you have to put the bracket here. Here theta derivative is 1, sin theta derivative is cos theta. If you write like this, you get 0 mark. This is wrong. Here we have to apply the product rule. First function and this is the second function. How to apply product rule? First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Derivative of theta is 1. So here minus sin theta plus sin theta cancel and a into theta cos theta. Now the second one is important here. Here, what is y? So here it is nothing but y equals a is a constant sin theta minus theta cos theta. Okay. So a is a constant, sin theta it is cos theta minus important is bracket here. This bracket is a very important one. Always remember this bracket. Writing bracket is important. Okay. Minus after this minus put bracket, apply the product rule first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. Look at here, minus must be outside. 99% students will do the mistake. You don't write this minus here. This minus is applied for first and second function. Theta into cos theta derivative is minus sin theta plus theta derivative is 1. Next you multiply this minus into minus plus, this minus into plus minus. Now these two get cancels, is a into theta sin theta. So dy by dx is dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So sin theta by cos theta tan theta. A simple problem number. So this is a problem, is a lengthy problem. One year the question has asked in the examination. So x is given, y is given, x in terms of t, y in terms of t. Prove that dy by dx is tan t. Now look at it, x is given here. Now the derivative of cos t is simple. Derivative of log of tan t by 2 is a little bit difficult. First let us find the derivative of this log of tan t by 2. To find the derivative of log of, let us call this as u. Okay, log, okay, okay, log of tan t by 2, we must consider this tan t by 2 as some u, right? It becomes log u, right? So derivative of log u, right? Derivative of log u with respect to t, ella with respect to t alva. Okay, derivative of log u with respect to t is 1 by u into derivative of u with respect to t. So 1 by u on the tan t by 2 into derivative of tan t by 2. To find the derivative of tan t by 2, again this t by 2 is considered as some v. So v equals tan t by 2, 1 by tan t by 2 into derivative of tan v with respect to t. Tan v derivative is secant square v into derivative of v. So secant square t by 2 into derivative of t by 2 is 1 by 2. This is because 1 by 2 into t martive, 1 by 2 into 1, it is 1 by 2. So this should be simplified. So now look at it. A keep as it is. Derivative of sin t, cos t is minus sin t. Cos t is there. Cos t is here, cos t is there. For this cos t minus sin t. Next is this one, we already did. So again secant square t by 2. Okay. Now maximum simplification. Look at here. This tan t by 2 is sin t by 2 by cos t by 2. Secant is the reciprocal of cos 1 by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 of the cos t by 2 get cancelled here, right? Now remaining is 2 is there, sin t by 2 is there, cos t by 2 ಎಲ್ಲ product ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ into. So it is 1 by sin t by 2 cos t by 2 into 2. You take this 2 here, so that is 1 by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. What is the formula of 1 by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2? It is 1 by sin t. Now take out the LCM here. 1 and sin t is sin t. The sin t is multiplied here. Minus sin square t plus 1. Reverse this one. ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. 1 minus sin square t. 1 minus sin square t is cos square t by sin t. Trigonometric formula. Y is very simple. Y is a sin t. Differentiate with respect to t. A is a constant. For sin t it is cos t. Now dy by dx is dy by dt. Dy by dt is nothing but what? A cos t divided by this one. So now look at here. A get cancelled here. Numerator is cos t. This is divided by cos t divided by cos square t. This sin t goes to numerator into sin t. 1 cos t get cancelled here. So this is sin t divided by cos t is tan t. Okay. Now look at here. If this is x, okay. This question was also asked in the examination. X equals root of a sin inverse t, y equals root of a cos inverse t. Find dy by dx is the question. It's a simple problem. We have to simplify the problem itself. X equals root of a sin square t. Squaring both sides, x square becomes a into sin inverse t. Root square cancel. Y square is a into cos inverse t. Now multiply this x square and y square. X square into y square is a into sin inverse t into a into cos inverse t. Bases are same. Powers can be added. A power x into a power y. We can write a power x plus y. So here look at it. There is a one formula. Sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is nothing but pi by 2. A ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ pi by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is pi by 2. ಈಗ ನಾವು we differentiate with respect to x here. Look at here. Differentiate with respect to x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರದ t ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. t ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ವಿ. So here we apply the product rule. First function, second function. This is a constant. First into derivative of y square with respect to x, 2y into dy by dx, plus second y square derivative of x square with respect to x, 2x, constant derivative is 0. So you transfer this term to this right side, that become minus, right? So dy by dx will be minus 2xy square divided by, this comes to denominator, right? Okay, so 1y get cancelled here and 1x get cancelled here and 2 get cancelled here. So dy by dx is minus y by x. Okay, so now we completed this, the derivative of parametric functions. Do all the homeworks. Next we have a second order derivative, that is the last portion of the differentiability. In the next class we shall solve the problems on second order derivatives. Okay, do all the homeworks. Okay, thank you.